Hi there, got an old audio CD and want to play it on your phone or PC? Let's convert CDA tracks to MP3 using VLC Media Player. When you insert the CD into the CD drive, multiple CDA files appear, with a size of just 1 kilobyte. Open VLC Media Player. Go to Media and select Convert Save. From the Disk tab, select your disk type. Browse the disk folder. Set the starting position to 1. Select Show More options. Change settings if needed. Expand Convert Save and select Convert. From the profile, choose Audio CD. Edit the selected profile. On the Encapsulation tab, choose the desired audio format, like MP3. On the Audio Codec tab, choose the same codec. Change other parameters if required. Click Save. Set the file name and destination folder. Click Start. The process will take a moment. Open the destination folder to see your MP3 files.